Hello everyone, I'm here to present myself. My name is Althea Maris Albedanio, and this is my picture when I was a kid. So very cute and demure. The one who named me is my grandfather, who just passed away 2 years ago. And I don't know why he named me Althea Maris, but for me, I really love it. And my father name is Jefon Jim Medanio and my mother name is Jenny Albedanio. I have two brothers, Mark Gabriel and Antonio Miguel, and so on. My favorite color is color orange and my sport is badminton and I really like to solve Rubik's Cube. My question of that is I think those are competitive and at the same time moody and smart, and that's all. The boys are love to play sports such as basketball because I see all the time in the court field they playing basketball. Girls should pursue their passions and their dreams to become successful women someday. I think boys are should be respectful, kind, and faithful to others, and be generous and be gentlemen. I think girls are doing laundry and cleaning in the house chores, and that's all. For the last, my final answer is boys are very hardworking and kind of moody either.